This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 15 and pack 5 of building the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This is going to be the quickest build episode, I think. So we're going to have a look through the magazine first, and then we'll get on with the actual building. Yes, the 1967 Eleanor Mustang is what we're building. So we've got the instructions for this stage. We get the other door. We're going to put the wing mirror on there and the handle on it, which is why I think this is the quickest, shortest build. Next up, we are fitting the window and the hinge to it. Then we get the interior section, interior panel, and associated handles. I get that moving around a bit. The magazine's just the wrong size. It sort of catches on the lip, but I do like the small format. But yeah, could be a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. That'd be fine as well. The last one in today's pack is finishing off the door, putting on the interior, covering up panel things, just like so. So we've got another window, another door, all done and good to go. Looking at the rewards of determination. Yeah, I don't know what that's all about, but you can read that if you so desire. Memphis Reigns, yeah, the hero returns. The hero from Gone in 60 Seconds. Used to be a car thief, got better. Ran kids go-karting thing. But then when his brother needed him, he came back and saved the day again. Sort of, mostly. Yep, there we go. Looking at that. 60 Seconds files. The cars with girls' names, or women's names, I say. Patricia. The Cadillac. Nice looking car as well, yeah. Go with that. And Bernardine Jaguar with letters XJ 220. It's quite yellow. I don't know much about it. It's not so yellow. That's all right. Yeah, very sporty. Wouldn't see one of them in the local Tesco's. Probably. Then we're going to look at the Ford Mustang Fastback. In there, another traditional sort of car. And then a look at what is in the next pack. It looks like some chassis bits. Always good. Nice to start on a big thing. So yeah, there we go. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's get the parts and we'll put the wing mirror onto the door. So once again, another nice shiny door. Lines down the bottom there. It just does what it needs to do, doesn't it? So there we have the next bit. We're putting the mirror in place. It just puts in place with a little plug in the middle of that. If I can get it lined up. Oh, come on. It's the easiest, quickest part of the build. Why am I having so much trouble with it? I can't get it. I can't do it. It doesn't matter which way round it goes. Round. Goes in there. Why? Don't make me cut and come back to this in another video. There we go. Got it there, eventually. That goes onto there. Nice. Then we have the sticker. I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to put the sticker in place because I don't want to get finger stuff on the back of it. So that will go on there. just like that. And there we have that. And then we can peel off the front of the sticker, peel the whole thing off as well. Well, at least we've got the sticker in place. That probably makes this bit a little bit easier, doesn't it? So there we go. That's that now in there. And for some reason, it's shifted a bit as well. It's not ideal. Why is this being a pain in the backside? Nice, easy build, he said. No trouble with this bit, he said. Try that again, shall we? Get that in there in the right place and get the backing bit off of it. Although I think that's the fronting bit. I'm going to come back to that. I'm going to do that later, but that's that. That is then going to be held on the front of the car with a single screw going through the back bit. You know how that works. It goes on there like that. And then a screw goes through there like that. I'm going to do that bit. I'm going to put that to one side and worry about that later. I need to use a screw that I can't read the number for. Maybe one of them. One of those will go through there and hold it in place. Come on, there you go. Let's grab myself a screwdriver to do that with. It goes through there. Yes, if you haven't noticed already, I'm being very, very inept today. I'll get there. It will be there. It will be fine. And everyone will see just how easy these builds can be. There we go. That's that. Going in and holding everything nice and secure on there. We're going to do the same with the other screws. Those ones. Wait, what? Yeah, no. Yes, no, yes. Slightly smaller screws we will now use. One off. If I can open the packet, I can't even open the packet tonight. This is really not doing well for me. Let's get one of those screws out. If this is proving difficult to watch, then just imagine how hard it is to live it. Go and watch the one from before when I did the other door, because I'm sure that one worked better than this. So yes, this is the other door handle which goes in there like so, and a single screw will hold that in place on there. See, that was easy. Why are they not all like that? So there we go. That is that now done. And if you look at it from there, it looks like it's finished. It's all properly finished. It doesn't. Don't worry about that bit. I'll worry about that bit later. So that is that all done. I shall put that aside briefly because next time we're going to be fitting the window bit to it. So I shall see you for that in a day or two. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sure it'll be better when I come to do that. It might not be, but you never know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.